Alright, listen now guys, let's start the show. Alright, because we're gonna share the love in them, man. Come on man, share some love. Alright, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna start the show. Alright? Yeah. We're going to start the show. It's a beautiful one. Another evening from Chef Ricardo, alright? So what we're going to do now, we're gonna start the show. We got 8 people to watch. 9 person. Come on guys. Share some love. Alright. Quick recipe. Alright. It's gonna be a very quick one from Chef Ricardo this evening. Alright, I'm in the kitchen right now and I'm watching the video with you guys to say, listen, welcome to Chef Ricardo show. We're going to be showing you how to make this one. It's going to be a very simple weight loss one. Alright, so basically you need a portion of celery stick like this. Alright, please don't ask me, Chef Ricardo, where can I get celery stick for buy? Alright, the thing is, you can go to your local shop or your supermarket and get celery for buy. And secondly, you do not need to buy a plane ticket to go to Jamaica to get this recipe. It's right here in front of you with Chef Ricardo this evening. Alright guys? And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this perfect weight loss and also detoxing drink from Chef Ricardo. Alright? Now let's get into this recipe. Alright, it's a perfect drink, 100%. You guys will love this. Alright, it's a beautiful one. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to get the celery cut up. So basically, I'm already prepped my salad. My celery. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little bit of water into the blender like this. This recipe, guys, is a perfect recipe for you to try at home. All right, and not only that, 100% you guys will love this. All right, so that's why I'm saying to you, you guys definitely need to try this one. All right, 100%. Now, water inside of the bottom of the right here, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some celery. Nice to have celery into it. Beautiful one. Lot of celery. Alright, you see that? You have a lot of celery inside of it. I may have to put a little bit more water into the blender. That is beautiful. We're gonna get a nice lovely fat chunk of piece of a ginger. Ginger is important into this one. Alright, we got lemon. Remove the skin from the lemon. I put 1 lemon inside of it. Alright, perfect for weight loss. Alright, I want to say to you guys, please do not ask me where can I get all of these ingredients for buy. These ingredients are very local and you can get them in the supermarket and your local shop. Alright, it's beautiful. Now we got some cucumber. Just gonna put roughly about half of a cucumber in it, just like this. Alright, and the rest of half you can eat it during the time you're gonna drink your juice. Alright, it's a beautiful recipe and I love to make weight loss and detoxing juice. Alright, and that's where Chef Ricardo is at the moment. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just jump straight over to the blender side and we're going to make a little bit of noise. So if you're at work, tell your manager that Chef Ricardo is making a juice and you want to watch the video. It's very important, you know what I mean? Yeah. So if right now, if you're at work, all right, and yeah, your manager asks me, what you doing? What is such a loud noise? You just tell him that is very important. Chef Ricardo is making the juice. Alright? Here it is. Ginger, lemon, celery. Blend up everything together with some cucumber. This is your, and you know what, the most important thing. Share this with your manager and tell him that this recipe is very unique and you want to make it at work. Alright? Bring your blender to work and make this. Beautiful one. Let's blend up this one, guys. Look at that. Oh yes. Alright. So what you want to do, get your strainer. Alright. And strain it. This is perfect, guys. 100%. Alright. This is perfect. Trust me. And not only that, as I say, if you're at work, do not shy to make this drink. Alright, if your manager asks you why you're making so much noise, you just tell them that you have to make this juice because it is amazing. It is from Chef Ricardo. You know what I mean? And I try my best to give you some of the world best recipe then. Alright? Yeah. Now man, if you're at work and your manager said to you, why are you making so much noise? You just tell them that you saw Chef Ricardo making this. And you have to make it. And it's a healthy recipe, guys. So you want to just take your time and squeeze out all of that beautiful liquid from all the ingredients to just blend. Alright, so it's beautiful. Oh yeah. Fantastic and amazing. Yeah. You're gonna pour in the rest. Oh yeah. That looking lovely. So if you're at work and you know what I mean, as I said, don't be shy. Just make this beautiful drink and share it with your manager. Tell him that is one of the best drinks in the world and it's from Chef Ricardo cooking. And it's just lovely. You like to make this one, alright? Share it with your manager and your friend them and your, you know what I mean, your co-workers, everyone. They will love it. Alright guys, it's a beautiful drink. Fantastic and amazing. Oh yes, lovely. Alright, now, to be honest with you guys, this kind of drink, you know what I mean, trust me, all you need to do is pour into a glass and drink it same way, natural, organic style. Beautiful. Few slices of cucumber into it like this. Oh yes. That is lovely and amazing. You know that encourage you guys, if you have a little bit of apple cider vinegar, you just put a teaspoon in it and drink it. It's a beautiful one. That is from Chef Ricardo today, and I will say welcome to Chef Ricardo Healthy Side, and we'll try our best to give you some of the most beautiful, fantastic and an amazing recipe. Alright, so if you're at home and you feel bored, you can make this one. Alright, it is beautiful, and I know you guys definitely will love it. Alright, so simple but also delicious. Alright, and that's where Chef Ricardo is at the moment. We try our best to give you some of the world's best recipe them, and you know what I mean, we're just gonna take the time to say thank you so much for coming on the show and watch this live. Alright, it's a beautiful one, and to be honest with you guys, we always have some of the world's best recipe them, and you know what I mean, we will be coming with more recipe where you guys definitely will be loving. Fantastic and an amazing recipe today from Chef Ricardo. You know what I mean, perfect for weight loss and also for detoxing in the summer. Alright, tune in for Chef Ricardo Cooking. We're going to show you how to make some of the world's best dishes them. We got some healthy recipe coming up, a healthy lifestyle. So if you're a person who are interested in a healthy lifestyle, then that come in really handy for you guys. Alright, something where 100% you guys definitely can make that at home. Alright, yeah, leave your comments and tell me what do you think about this and an amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo today. But thank you so much for tuning in. Jamaica Recipe Queen, thank you so much for coming on the show. Really appreciate it. And we will definitely come with some more minutes. Alright, some more recipe. Alright, now guys, it's 10 minutes, so this video after cut. You know what I mean, as I say, it's 25 minutes now on the clock over there, but it's 10 minutes video, so we have to cut this one. Alright, thank you so much for coming. Stay tuned in, and we have a lot. We love you all, and big up on yourself every time, and stay upon the gravel and give God thanks, blessing and prosperity. Alright, Chantel, thank you so much for coming on the show. I really appreciate it. Alright guys, so yeah, share the video, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All people love and respect. Alright, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with some more recipes from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Live